leaving, there was a big ship. There was a big ship with a lot of people to punish some other people. But then there was a seaplane who went right over the water. In the nice cold evening, there was a helicopter on that nice cold bridge.
Letting him turn the pages? That's nice.
Yeah, airplane. In the nice cold evening, in the nice cold airplane, there was an airplane turning the page back. The jet plane was coming in for landing.
Control tower to pilot. That's what he said.
Page match? No, I turned the page. There was a nice cold safe plane with nice people in it. You want to turn the page? I'm not allowed to say it, but I want to pay. Help. There was a nice cool airplane. Nice cool people inside, but
Max is doing control tower to pilot.
Do I want cold?
Oh.
2 down, fly off, for take off, land. Hold on, Max. And here comes the airplane onto the runway. Shake off. Yes. Do I leave the other book to you? Like this book? Yeah? Okay. Bye.